It is a beautiful day, guys. 70 degrees. Got a new battery for the quad. I'm going to throw this switch on so I'm not just jumping the starters through here. And yeah, I think I'm going to pull the bike out, see if it'll start for the first time after months ago when we put it up for the winter. I should have taken the battery out of the bike for the winter and I didn't. But hopefully it's even still here. I haven't been in here last winter. You guys may have seen the video where the mice got an air cleaner. Hopefully the mothballs did their job. That's a mouse turd right on the gas tank. I'm not liking that. Battery could be completely dead.
I don't think it is.
Fuel pump works. That's a damn good battery. Kind of running like there's something in the air cleaner. It might just be.
Something's smoking.
Residue off the muffler.
He wants to go.
Yeah, fire it up. Alright, let's get her out of here.
She's out of the shed.
Alive.
It's alive!
Well, success. She ran pretty good. We just took her for a nice 20-mile trip. Got home just in time for Allie to get off the bus, and we'll get to work on the four-wheeler. So far, I just pulled those wires out from the hole. I'm gonna cut them back here to where they're still good. You can see it's all fraying here. So we'll get the bad part cut off. Eventually, I'll run new wires. I cut that one back, now I'll cut this one back. I'd probably go a little more, but already looks better. So I got my switch wired in. Now I'll just stick it through that hole with this washer in there. Screw it down. There she is for now. Much better than it was. I could still turn the wheel, so that's good. I probably will put a battery disconnect in eventually, because in case that one of those wires rubs through or something, I'd like to be able to disconnect the battery so the starter doesn't stay on. We got the new battery in. I gotta strap it down still, possibly clean those terminals. Switch is in. Let's see how it works.
Can I try?
We got lights. We got. Yep. Oh, let me just try and see if it works quick.
Probably gas.
No, it's in gear. But it works. It's a success. There, now it's in neutral. Weird, I don't see the neutral light coming on. Usually it does. Probably needs gas too. Huh.
She's a.
She's running.
Look at the handlebars.
Yeah, it's like it. Now we gotta get it cleaned off. Let's see. I gotta get this in a better spot too. Beautiful.
Handyman.
There goes babe. I don't think she knows how to change the second gear. Here's all the trees we got cut down so far. Thanks to her father-in-law. What?
Doing good. Sounds
Yeah.
good.
I should check the oil, but